And a good day, everyone. Time for weather news today with J7409. The name you know, the news you can use. Today, of course, is the 4th of October 2018. It is Thursday. What we're looking at here is where severe thunderstorms may happen today, or just regular rain showers and thunderstorms in general. There is a slight chance of maybe a little bit of severe weather over in the Texas Panhandle today, but I think everyone will be okay. We'll just have to wait and see. These cold fronts meeting these warm fronts, and these lows that are warm are so hot. Should be around 89 or 90 degrees coming up at my house real soon. So we're going to turn it on, just let it run through today. You'll get a general idea of where they may go and what they may look like. Now, if it's your first time over here for weather news with J7409, please subscribe, my friends. Please subscribe. Click the bell. All the good stuff that you do to make sure you get all the latest information concerning the weather. Now, what we're looking at now is a European model. It's set for around 9 a.m. this morning. You can see here's Leslie over here, and this will come up sooner or later, looking like it's going to come up in the Gulf. We'll have to wait and see. It was looking like it was going up this way, but I think it's got stalled out just a tad. But we'll turn her on, let her roll for just a little bit. Once again, this is 9 a.m. this morning. This is for general rain and thunderstorm activity. The other was just for thunderstorms. As you can see, Leslie's still hanging around. She will for a few more days at least. But this low system that's trying to make up down here will make up after a while. And I hate to go so far out. This is for today. But what I will do is I'll cut it off right now, and I'll move on up to around Friday the 12th. Friday the 12th. Let's see here if we can go in. This is around 11 a.m. on Friday the 12th. And look there, it's coming up in here. Now, everybody, this is way far out. It may not do this at all, but it's looking like it's going to come up somewhere around the panhandle of Florida. Say between Panama City on over to the far left of the panhandle. We'll move up. I can go up to Saturday the 13th. As you can see, there it is right in here. Not looking like a big bad hurricane. Looks like it may be a tropical storm. We'll have to wait and see. It may not be either. It may just be a big rainmaker. There's sustained winds, and does it have any wind gusts in it at this time? Yes, it does, but it doesn't look too severe. Let's see what happens. I have a feeling, well, 51 knots, so that's pretty good gust in it, okay? Could be a tropical storm by then. We'll have to wait and see. Do not fret. I will keep you advised on this. But I do suggest everyone from Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and the Florida Panhandle, all of you guys, watch this system. Very important coming up by the end of next week for you guys. Now, as I just said, we were looking at the European model then. Of course, this is a GFS model, and it's courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. I put this particular version of it up because you guys can see it more plainly. Rain, rain, and more rain. All around. We got some snow up in Canada. Looks like some snow approaching Washington State, the northern part of it. Other than that, just rain, rain, and more rain. And you also will notice before I turn it on, as it moves through time, it's not going to show that low going in the same place. It's going to bring it coming up over in this area. So let's turn her on and get going. What's happening today? Well, a rapidly deepening surface low is going to continue lifting north across Ontario and Quebec as it drags a cold front southward across the Ohio Valley and the northeast United States through the end of the week, and reaching as far south as the mid-Atlantic region. Now, showers and thunderstorms with locally heavy rainfall are possible along the trailing cold front as it progresses across the Ohio Valley today and into the northeast mid-Atlantic areas by tomorrow. More rain. Whoa. Now, beyond this front, a much colder Canadian surface high builds in across the northern plains and upper Midwest. That's going to result in temperatures on the order of 10 to 20 degrees below normal for this time of the year. Now, across the southern tier states and the Carolinas, it will continue feeling like late summer with highs in the 85 to 90 degree range and plenty of humidity. And yes, I have all of that humidity, I think, at my house this morning. Now, across the western U.S., a developing storm system over the central and northern Rockies is expected to bring widespread valley showers and mountain snow through early tomorrow morning. Now, once this surface low and front emerges over the plains, a corridor of heavy showers and storms is forecast to develop from Kansas all the way to Wisconsin, with a potential for 1 to 3 inches of rainfall by Saturday morning. Some strong to severe thunderstorms will be possible as well. A Pacific storm system affecting western Washington and Oregon tomorrow is also expected to result in enhanced precipitation for that region. Now, so far as severe weather goes for today, we do have a few thunderstorms that might be capable of strong wind gusts, and maybe some hail will be possible later this afternoon and early evening over part of southern high plains area, the southern high plains. Now, with storms developing well south of the stronger westerlies, wind profiles with weak vertical shear will promote multi-cell storm modes capable of a few locally strong wind gusts and some hail. Activity should weaken by mid-evening as a surface layer stabilizes, though. And I really don't think that the hail will be that bad. Any hail should remain below severe criteria, I think, at this moment. However, though, we will have a chance of some of those thunderstorms producing gusty winds. And that's a check of the weather news today. Please subscribe, click the bell. I appreciate it so much. Much peace, love, and kindness to all you guys. I love you so much. Won't be long now before I'm back to answering comments. Almost there. Thank you guys for understanding, and we're going to have a J740 Weather News Live coming up so I can get back with everybody, and, well, we can just have a good old time enjoying each other's company, talking about the weather, talking about this or that, whatever. I love you guys. Thanks so much for sticking by me. I can never tell you how much I appreciate it. Have a good day, a blessed day, and much peace, love, and kindness to each of you. Thanks so much for watching.